You park along, mate?
I think we fit. Maybe.
That's what she said.
Weather update. Still fucking shit. So, I'm gonna quickly get this off. We're gonna set it up. And then get in this nice warm office. So, Ryan, you can put the camera down and then give us a fucking hand. So yeah, unfortunately missed out on going to high tech because the car's fucked. Yeah, so we're gonna hustle, make sure it's ready nice and early for round 4, I think it is, of the drifting SA. So yeah, we'll head to Malala and throw down with the SA boy. It's always good fun over there, so come and turn some spanners. So problem I found last time we took the car out, I'd start the lap, like this was after we broke the knuckle and Lee, Nicholas welded it up Friday night before he come to the track, helped us all out. Yeah, done all that, and then we'd go out on the track and the wheel would be 90 degrees and we'd be traveling straight, do the few corners, and then by the time we got to the end of the track, the wheel was now back center. Now, I don't have much mechanical knowledge, so this thing's really stumping me, so it's going to be a little bit of troubleshooting and probably a heck of a lot of YouTube videos to try and figure out why it's doing that and what I have to do to fix it. So yeah, sorry for all the swearing. Feel how shit it feels? So that it makes the steering wheel straight right there.
Hang on, I'll put it dead straight. There, that's dead straight.
It's literally dead straight. So, yeah, I don't really know.
The steering wheel could be bent from you getting it.
See, now it seems like we're not.
No, we're straight there.
Yeah, this shit's really confusing me. If any of you guys know what's happening, please come down to our factory and help us. I'll pay in alcohol.
Cruises.
Or we'll feature you on Tuff Streeters. How about that? Oh, never mind. Okay, that smells disgusting. It smells like burnt power steering fluid.
Should get a bigger turbo.
You should get a bigger turbo.
Turbo?
She looks good though.
A bigger turbo.
Can't pull it off.
That's good. That's good. That's what you want.
We could do one of those cool things where it's like, and then it's off. Quick, Callum, take it off. Wipe all the oil away. Hopefully the scrutineers in Adelaide don't see this shit. Right, so we got the thing off. This is that light right? There?
Yeah.
So this looks fucked. Let me get a rag. Just bit of spit.
Yeah.
That's how the girls like it, eh, Caitlin? Yeah. Don't think it's meant to look like that. Show it, twist it. Oh, there it is. Well, yeah, so I don't know if it's a good thing that it's just that, or the rack seems to look fine, which I'm glad at. But knowing S13s, this is probably a bloody $1 million part that no one has, so.
So you can't just order that part on its own?
Well, not
Like
again.
just this knobby bit?
Unless you want to pay a ridiculous price for what it is.
Again, I wish I was a mechanic because I'd know this stuff and I'd have great answers for you, but I really don't. So I'm just going to pull this off and we'll go for a stroll over to our sponsor, good friends, Clint from National Auto Service. He's just like in our factory complex, so we'll go take it to him, show him some more damage because he loves when we come over there because we've always got broken car parts for him to fix. So here he is. Look at him, businessman on the phone. Oh no! Oh God.
Where do you want me?
Oh, you look good. You got
Just like that's fine, mate. No.
Worn.
So would that be
Yep.
it?
Yep, because it'll be jumping.
Yeah, 'cause I don't
and
wanna
then
bind it
grabbing.
back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, that would be it.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys we can get a new one. And good to go.
Oh, fuck it, she's ready.
Yeah. So it's
Right.
pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so she'll just be skipping on that.
And then it'll grab
and
it.
it'll grab it and then turn.
Sounds like we were lucky we only dented the back end of the car. The whole back just caved in again. Yeah. So now we've got to cut it off and put bigger bars. That little RHS was just nothing.
Nothing.
Like it literally, I just snapped it off. I just go. So standard.
When do you need this?
We got South Australia in August. End of August.
So we can have a look by the end of the week then?
yeah, it's just on the hoist. So
Yep,
if
sweet.
can you take measurements or something of that, or like just type it up? Because I'll put that in so I can move it off the hoist.
Yep, alright.
Yeah.
Can you, it'll be easy, can you move it, put it on, move it and bring it back? Is that too much? Just so we can get a proper match.
Okay. I'll just leave it. I'll just do Callum's car off the ground, on the ground, because if I move it to where I want to, it's going to be in the way no matter where I put it. So yeah, sorry. You just,
Yeah, I just want to make
and
sure.
that's the bolt.
Yeah, I want that too.
So
Yeah, how are you, man?
broken
Thank
bits
you.
again.
Yep,
This one's yours.
broken bits. More
Yeah.
broken bits on the race car.
Yeah.
What
so
this time?
Just I think it's where the rack goes to the steering column. That little knuckle.
Yep.
It was
Yep.
I was saying how
Snapped?
well no how we were turning and then it would like re-centralize and it felt like it was pulling.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just showed Nathan and all the teeth on the inside
Are all ground out
Gone.
because of over.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
opposite lock.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
there
at
we go.
100 miles an hour.
Yeah, so good. Oh, you guys can sort it out.
Yeah, good.
And then we'll be back racing.
Yeah, no, we will.
Yeah.
We will.
But we appreciate all your help you do.
Yeah,
so
no, thank you.
No.
No, it's been a good partnership so
It has,
far.
no.
Looking forward to
Keep going.
many years
We'll get
of having fun.
We'll get Clint in the car one
Yeah,
day.
you watch me steer, mate. You won't even know.
I won't have a car left.
Not much of a car.
So me and Ryan were sitting on the office chairs. Weren't really feeling the office chairs today, so we're down at trusty old Kmart. We're gonna get ourselves some beanbags.
What's up, motherfucker? Oh, you looking just as good as I remember. I am, aren't I? Mirror check, goddammit, I'm fresh. Looking like the human embodiment of sex, yes. I'm blessed in multiple departments. Looking better than the clothes in the department store. Yes, Captain, they all aboard.
Hey guys, it's Josh from Tuff Streeters here. We're back with our latest giveaway, this blue VR SS with a built LS1 and bags all around. Come take a look. The VR is running GDSR style 20-inch wheels, front and back. This car has a custom bag setup, and in the boot, we've got the Airlift Performance tank setup with the air tank, the twin compressors and the hard lines. And then supporting that is twin 10-inch subs. All right, so taking a look in the engine bay, we've got the built LS1 with the high-rise manifold. We've got a shaved bay, and this really sets the standard for this car. Have a listen to how good this thing sounds. This giveaway will be drawn live via our socials on Friday, the 23rd of September. We've capped this at only 3,500 entrants, and triple entries are available for the first 2 weeks. So make sure you head to our website, tuffstreeters.com.au, to get your entries now.
Haircut, David boy.
Yeah.
You look beautiful.
Oh, considering how much we're filming lately. And then we've got Matsuri, we're going to Matsuri.
Yeah.
So, plenty of content there. So just thought, treat ourselves this morning, go get a haircut from the crew at New York Barbers. They always sort me out, so.
See if they can tidy up this roughness. This
Oh,
fluffy ginger beard.
God, I hope so. Get it dyed as well.
Get it dyed. What do you reckon, like blonde?
Yeah, I was thinking blonde.
That'd be great. Really bring out my eyes, I reckon.
Shitty way to start your Thursday.
Oh, that sucks.
I don't wanna waste no time. So pardon this lack of composure. Exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend. Riding on the same page. walking at the same pace. Wondering
Ooh, me too. Let's go. Ready for some interviews?
Let's get it.
Oh, it already has like lowered springs in it. Well. Alright, so say take them out.
Come on, Ross. Josh made it look easy, mate. You need to go to the gym.
Yeah. Hey.
Now you can put it in.
Woo woo.
I'm a little concerned by that.
Get it on the ground.
That doesn't seem right, Josh.
What?
That doesn't seem right. I'm no expert on hoists, but
We're just making do for now. There's only two of us, so I don't really want to lift it off the trailer. So we'll just do this to. Fuck. There you go. This is a good shovel too. Seeing probably worth 10 grand in a year.
yeah.
With the way you fuckers are breaking it. Actually, it's probably half my fault because I like ruining this.
Yeah, good one, Josh. Well, at least I've got parts to grab.
Wait, there's actually a fuel tank up there.
Is there actually?
Yeah.
Thanks, Josh. Appreciate you tying that down for me, mate.
It's alright.
This is not going to be the first time I ask for some help.
We've got a lot of work to do.
I already got a bug in my eye, so it's all downhill from here. Some coilovers and a front subframe.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, look at me, already learning. A couple of free little bolts there. Look, laughing. We're already saving money.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
There's a chance tomorrow morning.
Oh, it won't be tomorrow morning.
Oh, you
No, not a chance.
to go on straight away?
Yeah. Like my computer's up.
Oh, cool. Breaking shit.
It's on my eyes. Where's it stuck to?